Good morning, everyone. How are you all? I hope you are all fine. Now, we will do the topic of sense organs of our GK book. What are sense organs? Sense organs are those organs which helps us to feel something. A human has 5 sense organs. Can you imagine? We have 5 sense organs. The organ that help us feel things around us are called sense organs. Our body has 5 such organs. Uh, what sense organs those we have? Those are skin, nose, ears, eyes, tongue. These are 5 organs which a human has. Skin helps us to touch. When we touch everything, then we can find out that this is hot, this is cold, and something else. And when a nose helps us to smell, like when we smell something sweet, then we feel, oh, this is so sweet. We can smell and we can imagine what is the taste of this dish. And with the help of ears, we can hear everything. And eyes, we can see all around the world. And with the help of tongue, we can taste. When we put anything in our mouth, then tongue tells us that this dish is tasty. That means this is sweet or bitter or sour. So let's start. Name the body organ responsible for the following activities using the help box. This is the help box, and in this help box we have 5 sense organs, and we have to find which sense organ helps us to whatever we are smelling, touching and listening. So the first question is Bella. This is Bella. Bella touches a cup of tea and finds it too hot. Then which sense organ helps Bella to feel hot? This is skin. And second question is Soumya likes the fragrance of roses in the garden. Soumya smelling the fragrance of rose with the help of her nose. So which organ she is using? That is nose. And the third question is Vesha likes to listen to pop music. He is enjoying the music, and ears helps us to listen the pop music. So the answer is ears. Fourth question is Ravi looks at the beautiful painting and appreciates it. And which sense organ he is using? This is eye. And the answer is eyes. The fifth question is Aryan liked the taste of the pudding prepared by his grandmother, and he is looking so happy. And which sense organ he is using? This is tongue. With the help of tongue, he can taste the pudding. And do you know the taste of food is detected by taste buds on our tongue? There are 5 basic tastes: sweet, bitter, sour, salty and savory. So now this topic is finished. I hope you are all understand the value of our sense organs. Thank you. Have a nice day.